In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files from Adobe Scan. If you accidentally removed an important scan, don't worry. In many cases, Adobe Scan may still give you a way to bring that file back, especially if it was recently deleted. The key is to make sure you're using the same account where the original scan was saved because deleted files are tied to that account. To begin, open the Adobe Scan app on your device. Once the app is open, sign in using the same Adobe account you originally used when creating or storing the scan. This part is very important because if you log into a different account, the deleted file usually won't appear. If you're not sure which account was used before, take a moment to check and confirm that you're in the right one before moving on. After you're signed in, go to the area labeled Files or Scans. Depending on your device or app version, the wording may be slightly different, but you're looking for the section where your saved documents and scans are listed. This is where Adobe Scan organizes your content, and it's also the best place to start looking for anything that may have been removed. Next, look for a folder called Trash or Recently Deleted if that option is available in your version of the app. Some apps keep deleted items there for a limited amount of time before they're permanently erased, so it's a good idea to check as soon as possible. If you see that folder, open it and review the files inside carefully. When you find the deleted file you want to recover, select it. Make sure it's the correct document before restoring it, especially if you've deleted multiple files recently and some of them may have similar names or previews. Once the correct file is selected, tap Restore. This should move the file back to your active files or scans area so you can access it again normally. After restoring it, it's a smart idea to open the file and confirm that everything is there and that the scan looks the way you expect. If you don't see a trash or recently deleted folder, that may simply mean the option isn't available in your app version, or the file may no longer be recoverable through the app itself. But if the folder is there, following these steps gives you the best chance of recovering your deleted Adobe Scan file quickly and safely. That's how to recover deleted files from Adobe Scan.